And today at school, a long time ago, I made this slime. And yeah, let's...
FYI, you just said today at school a long time ago.
Wait.
Yeah.
Oh. Wait. No. A long time, not today, because today I don't have school. No, a long time ago, at school. Like, I think it was actually like a week ago or something. Yeah. We had a party at school, for Halloween, a Halloween party, and we made slime. So I'm just gonna lean this against something to show you the slime. Okay. Okay.
That's true. That's true.
As you see, it's not stretchy at all, and you can't even squish it. It's just too hard, and the balls just fall right out. So today, I'm gonna be throwing this slime in the trash. I've kept it too long, and now it's time to say farewell.
All right. One thing.
Farewell, slime. Farewell. Well, yeah, that's all I had to show. So, bye, guys.